thought it would be a good thing.
A good thing? What on earth made you agree to this?
Well, you know, your mom doesn't really take no for an answer.
You faced down Mirror Crew soldiers and the League of Assassins. Are you honestly telling me that you couldn't say no to my mom?
She said she missed you, and then she texted me one of those emojis with the single tear.
You have been texting with my mother? How long has that been going on?
You guys think we can find a better time to fight about this?
John, I thought only Oliver's line was open.
Nope. Mine is open.
And mine.
I don't remember there being so much chatter on these missions. You okay? Yeah. I need a little normal. And for me, this is the kind of thing that passes.
I hacked the security panel, but it needs to be accessed from the inside. Only problem is that the building's interior is protected by pressure-sensitive flooring, which means Chatty Cathy, you're up.
Chatty Cathy.
Your new code name, the only one appropriate enough I could think of to use in polite company. Once the loading dock's doors are open, you'll have 90 seconds to find the manifold and Amscray before men with guns show up. Chatty Cathy?
You know, when I get back, you and I are gonna have a talk. I'm at the panel.
Stand by. Punch in 4587. Clock's running.
Sure, it's a good idea to bring Sarah along. She'll be fine.
Something's wrong. The security cameras are coming back online.
I've got it.
No, don't you understand? If Court upgraded their security, they probably improved their response time.
Wait, I think this is it. We have to go.
Clear.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Ray,
Any luck with the schematics? I realized the quantum manifold could present a challenge.
nothing a little late night shopping at Court Industries couldn't solve.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Felicity. Now we just have to figure out how to...
Ray, you still there? Oh no.